Hello, Pisces, and welcome to the Indigo Divinity channel. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in and checking us out. I really hope to have you on board and become a part of our family here. And if you are a returning subscriber, of course, welcome back. This is going to be a general read for the month of February, but it applies for whenever you happen to come across this video. I usually do a little intro, but I want to get right into you guys' reading because that's what I like to do. I like to get straight to the point. I do want to thank you guys for the consistency, for the ongoing support, for the love and the comments, the feedback. You guys are greatly appreciated. We are headed towards another milestone and just reached another milestone of 300 subscribers. We're at 370, pushing toward 400. We've done this in about a month or a bit over a month, so it's really overwhelming, and I'm really appreciative of you guys. So thank you. I only plan to improve the channel and to continue to provide you guys with genuine, sincere, heartfelt readings. Okay. Alright, let's see what you guys have in store, Pisces. Pisces. Friendly reminder, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you are resonating with the video or relate to anything at all. Definitely like and subscribe. Love to have you on board with our growing community here, where the goal is to provide you guys with messages from the divine, past loved ones, and universal energies. Alright, Pisces, holy, divine, heavenly angels and guides. What important messages do we have for Pisces at this current moment? Any Pisces who may be viewing or may happen to come across this video in need of some clarity, some enlightenment, some encouragement. Three of Cups. Okay, so I see you guys strengthening relationships. This could involve friendships, this could involve family, but I see a very strong foundation when it comes to friendships and family at the moment with the Three of Cups. And we have the Five of Swords in reverse. So this could be something that ended with someone possibly restarting. We do see friendships and family, so this could be a family member, you mending something with a family member, or you mending something with a past long lost friend. Yeah, so that's what I'm getting from this. See two people, so could be two people, two friends, or two family members. Okay, I'm feeling someone felt stabbed in the back. I do see lots of fire and water. So could be mending something with a Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo. or a Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer as yourself. I'm getting the feeling that maybe you have come to your senses and want to be the bigger person. So you may be the one to have reached out in order to mend this relationship or repair this relationship. I'm going to go ahead and clarify the cards with the Rider-Waite deck. No, this is not sponsored. Okay. I want to clarify these messages for Pisces. These cards automatically fell out, so I'm going to put them to the side. Clarify the Three of Cups, and we'll use them after I pull these two cards to clarify, just to kind of see if they coincide with the reading, and that will be like the ultimate confirmation. Okay, so we clarify the Three of Cups for Pisces. Heavenly divine angels and guides. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So something could have possibly ended because someone felt like someone possibly changed. Okay? This could have been a friend or a family member. Okay, Pisces, so either you felt that someone changed or someone felt that you changed. I'm getting somebody probably felt that someone changed over money or over status. Okay, someone felt like someone was acting very high and mighty, or as if they were better than. Someone could have probably felt like someone was being manipulative or controlling. And again, this person could have very well been a fire sign. I'm getting strong Leo energy for a lot of you. Okay, could have been a Scorpio as well, because I don't know why when I see the color red, I think of Scorpio as well, and that just came to mind. Okay. Definitely Leo. Did I mention Leo? If I didn't, I'm mentioning it now. I'm getting strong Leo energy with the eights. Okay. Can we clarify the Five of Swords in reverse for Pisces? Heavenly divine angels and guides, can we clarify? Wow. Three of Cups. Yeah. So this could be definitely getting friendships. Again, like friendships reuniting, like some sort of relationship being renewed and strengthened. There may be celebration going on, or some sort of pact being made, like a promises being made between friends or family. I'm getting like a truce, like, you know, letting bygones be bygones is what I'm getting. So, a group of friends or family members are letting bygones be bygones. Pull these two cards. I mentioned Scorpio, and here we have Scorpio and Leo again. And if you look, like, this could, for some, again, this is confirmation for me for a lot of you, although it's the Moon card, Major Arcana. It's like, someone using their intuition, or like things being put on the table. I'm getting this, like, you knew something, Pisces. You had some sort of intuition about whatever is going on. Like, either you know you're supposed to make this better, okay, or like mend this. I'm getting whatever this is that ended was something important to you, something of importance, something of significance. Whoever this group of people, I'm getting like a group of people, whoever these people or group of people are, I'm getting are significant to you. There may have been like a lot of quarreling, a lot of fighting, separation. But I'm getting like, you know, Pisces, that regardless of whatever has gone on, this is supposed to be mended. You're supposed to fix this. Okay, that's what I'm getting. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. This is like, I'm getting like family generational curses being broken. Okay, I'm getting like, maybe this is something like before your time, like people like wished for bad on you or your family. And I'm getting like whatever like soul contract this was, or like whatever sort of karmic energy or whatever generational curse this is being broken. This is what I'm getting with the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yes. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble picking up this card here. Okay, these cards fell. And I'm really feeling like they're meant for you. So I'm going to go ahead and read these cards. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. This is hurt. This is pain, like, being removed, okay? This is pain being removed from your life. Whatever pain you were holding on to, whatever pain and resentment or hurt you were harboring, whatever sadness, whatever, this is it being removed from your life. You're confirming that with the King of Cups. Okay, this is love being restored. Okay, like, you're about to be restored of love, Pisces, with the King of Cups, the ultimate offer of love, like the ultimate level of love, if you will. You're just going to be feeling fulfilled completely emotionally and romantically for a lot of you. But for a lot of you, I'm getting it's not even romantically. It's just internal fulfillment that's going to bring you like love and joy and peace within. Okay? Whether it's romantic or whether this has to do with this family friendship being mended for most of you. Or family or friendships being mended, okay? Yeah, I'm getting, again, confirmation with the Four of Swords in reverse. This is separation. Like, this is a group of people who were separated coming back together, reuniting. Two of Pentacles. Yeah, things were very unbalanced. Things were unbalanced. And again, like, this is multiple people, so this has to do with that friendship or these group of family members. Things were on the rocks. Things were unsettled for a while. Things were unbalanced. There was no clarity, like a sense of confusion. You didn't know which way to go. I feel like you had to choose sides, a lot of picking sides. Like, yeah, it was just chaotic. Getting chaos. With the Page of Pentacles, this is fulfillment, contentment. This is like, how can I put this? Okay, this is like something that money can't buy, okay? This is like something that's priceless, I'm getting, okay? So whatever this reuniting or this like mending of this situation, it's gonna be like something that money can't buy. It's gonna be so fulfilling. It's like it was priceless to you, okay? If you will, Pisces. Okay. What other messages do we have for Pisces? Pisces, friendly reminder. Wow. Friendly reminder, Pisces, if you have not liked the video, please go ahead and do so now. Like and subscribe. Definitely do not forget to subscribe to become a part of our growing family, our growing community here on YouTube, where the goal is to be a source of support for one another, a place where you could come and just get a non-biased message, okay, for whoever may need it, a place of no judgment, and a place where you can feel free to just be yourself, okay? That is what I'm trying to build here with this community, and so far I am like beyond thankful and grateful. The turnout is even better than I expected. All of my viewers and subscribers are really great people. It's very encouraging and loving spirits that we have here, and I couldn't be any more thankful. So again, thank you guys. If you have not subscribed, make sure to do so. Of course, if you know this is the type of vibe that you could see yourself supporting and being a part of and sharing ideas and experiences with through this platform. Okay, you guys. Yeah, let's get back into your reading, because I was just gonna like go a whole other place with it right now. but I do want to finish you guys' reading. So we've got the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. All right, so maybe some of you have been feeling like a little unstable when it comes to finances. Okay, maybe you feel like you could be in a better place financially than you are now. Okay, and I'm also getting for some of you, you could be feeling, if you are in a relationship, you could be feeling like maybe a spouse isn't being as providing as you'd like them to be, or yeah, I don't know why, but for someone, I'm getting like maybe you're feeling like financially neglected by a spouse. Okay. Can we clarify this Knight of Pentacles? Yes. The Tower in reverse. Okay. So I'm definitely getting like a spousal thing here. Okay, so there may have been some sort of arguing or fighting regarding money, but I'm getting, you know, maybe you guys have come to some sort of common ground or agreement, and you know it's not as intense as it was. You just probably just got out of a tower moment, so you probably just got past something very like a very intense detrimental argument or fight for some of you guys regarding money, financial. I'm getting some sort of something that had to do with money, some sort of payment, bill, some sort of debt. Okay. And the Queen of Cups in reverse. So this could have definitely made you feel like a lack of romance, a lack of love. Getting like your libido probably was like down. I don't know why. Yeah, like just I'm getting, yeah, probably like you weren't feeling too intimate. I'm getting for a lot of you, maybe you weren't wanting to become intimate with your partner. Okay, Pisces, yes, definitely this is you, this water energy and this Queen of Cups here. Okay. Clarify the Queen of Cups in reverse for Pisces. Clarify the Queen of Cups in reverse for Pisces. Okay, clarify the Queen of Cups in reverse for Pisces. Yeah, someone's feeling like it's unfair, okay? Someone's feeling like it's unfair that you're not giving up giving it up, okay? Someone's mad. Someone's feeling like you not giving it up or being romantic or wanting to be intimate or passionate or sexual. Someone feels very upset toward that, about this. Okay, this could be this fire sign again, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. And for some of you, it could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Could very well. For very little of you, I'm getting earth. For a lot of you, I'm getting fire with all that Leo and all that red that kept coming up. So, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius, or Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. Okay, I'm going to pull one more card for you guys before I close the reading. One more card for Pisces. Can we get one more card to close this reading for Pisces? Yeah, so the Eight of Wands, definitely getting some sort of communication. Something coming in, messages coming in, could very well be from an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. Messages coming in, it could be water as well, or this could be you. Okay, but communication, getting a long overdue conversation. It's coming in or wanting to come in. And with the Death card in reverse, definitely communication from something that was dead, if you will, from something that had died. This is it reviving or coming back to life with this communication. And this is just confirmation for all of this resolution and making up and reuniting, okay? All of the reuniting. Like your reading, Pisces, was mostly about reuniting and love coming in and being restored in your life, which is beautiful, Pisces. If there's been a lack of love or a shortage of love in your life, I'm getting all of that is about to be restored. Clarify the Eight of Wands for Pisces. Clarify the Eight of Wands for Pisces. Amazing. Yes, the Death card, something that was dead, coming back. The lack of love you were feeling being restored with the Eight of Cups in reverse. That's how you were feeling. You were feeling like neglected of love or shortage of love or lack of love in your life. And with this conversation, this well-needed conversation, I'm getting it's going to restore it. There's going to be a reuniting, resolution, bygones being bygones, and pain being removed. Okay, Pisces, I really, really hope you guys enjoyed the reading. That's my goal. I hope to give someone a sense of clarity or a sense of encouragement or a little bit of light or motivation to keep pushing through whatever it is they're going through or whatever situation life may throw at you. I hope to be that little light at the end of the tunnel to just give you guys a little bit of hope to know that, you know, whatever it may be shall pass too, or to celebrate your successes and whatever good things may be going on for you in your life, okay, because it's not all negative, all right? Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for viewing. You guys' views and energies is overwhelmingly appreciated, if that makes sense. All right, and I thank you guys for taking this journey with me of enlightenment and spreading this gift of love and encouragement and support and unity, okay? Thank you. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the evening, afternoon, or morning, depending on whatever part of the world you're viewing from. Wishing you guys lots of love and light. Until next time.